guys, welcome back to another video. So as you can see, I'm in the woods and it is snowing. So this is a bit of a surprise this week. I really didn't realize it would be this much. It was pretty much a slushy mix when it started, but overnight it turned into this and it's actually been snowing and sticking. Unfortunately, I couldn't get out to camp, so I figured I'd try to hurry out this morning and just get a cook in at least. If I did camp though, this actually would probably be a pretty excellent shelter for the night. I could probably lay across here, I'd have a spot to sit, and then I could cook just right outside of the tarp here, which actually that's what I'm going to do this morning. So I'm going to try to make a little breakfast. So I know this video will be a little bit different than my normal camping videos. Just trying to take advantage of probably the last snow we'll get this winter. So hopefully you enjoy it, and let's get started. This is why I have the tarp up. Let's go get some wood. Tarp looks like it's doing its job. Definitely keeping the snow off me. Yeah, this would have been a great camp setup. I suppose maybe next year. I feel like I always miss the majority of the snow. At least I got to do one nice snow camp, or two-ish. It's still nice to be out in it though. It's not too bad. It's wet on the outside, but at least it's dry on the inside. So I think I got enough wood, so I'm just going to cook, I don't know, either here or maybe right there, just outside of the tarp. I'm using the Bushbox today, so keep it fairly small fire, and it should be fine. The tarp's high enough that shouldn't be any sparks or anything I need to worry about. Didn't get to see the magic of birch bark today. Alright, don't need much, just enough to get a flame to light the birch bark. For those of you wondering, I do always carry matches as well. But where's the fun in that? I don't smother it. Just gonna put some on top to dry as the birch bark burns. So again, these are wet on the outside, but on the inside they're fairly dry, so should be okay. There we go. Gonna have to move this back a little bit under the tarp. I don't want there to be any flare-ups because of the water. Alright. Let's see if I can move this safely. That's the one good thing about this base. Alright, much better. I think this avocado is a bit too ripe. Alright, so this is my huevos rancheros. I'm not much of a sweets guy for breakfast, so yeah, something nice and savory like this is really good. But hopefully you enjoyed watching the video. I know this is not what I normally do. Usually if I do a cooking video, I'll put it on Instagram or YouTube as a short. So if you're interested in these longer videos, like 5 to 10 minute cooking videos instead of the shorts, yeah, let me know. Wish I could have got out for a camp. This would have actually been a perfect shelter for the night. I would have probably put my bedding back here, and actually probably put a tie out just to kind of keep this snow load from weighing down the tarp. But yeah, I think it would have worked well. Yeah, so hopefully I'll be out for a camp soon, and yeah, back to the normal videos. But again, if you do like this kind of shorter cooking video, just let me know in the comments down below, and maybe I'll start doing some of these as well. Alright, please like, share, get outside. Catch you on the next one.